Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to underline a word and text message on Android. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Underline text and a message on Android devices can be a bit tricky since the default messaging apps often lack text formatting options like underlying. However, you can use a website called YayText to achieve this. Here's a guide on how to underline a word and a text messages on Android. Firstly, open Google Chrome and navigate to the YayText website using the link provided in the description below. Scroll down to the typing section and enter your preferred word that you want to underline. Once you've typed the word, you can choose from the options available by scrolling down, so I recommend selecting the plain underline option. Tap on copy, then open your messaging app, tap and hold the text field, then hit paste. And that's how you underline a word and a text message on Android. This method is a workaround that allows you to underline text using YayText and then transfer it to your messaging platform. While Android's default messaging apps may not support text underlined directly, you can achieve this effect through workarounds and third-party apps. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.